Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I am back with my part 3 of my Scentsy flash sale haul. This is the final part of my order that has came in. This is a little bit of a impromptu video, that's why I'm not in it. So it should go relatively quick. Let's jump in and see what I got. So here we have two of the cement bases. One of them is the narrow cement base, and one of them is the broad cement base. So these go on warmers that are in here. First warmer I'm going to show you is the Chevron Songbirds. This was marked down to either $12 or $14. I figured it would be good to pick up for vendor events. That way I have another warmer on my display, a cash and carry piece to have on hand. So that is always a positive when you are in the business of selling Scentsy. Flash sales are the greatest time to kind of build up your stock for vendor events. The next warmer, this one was marked down to I think $9. This is the Valentine's Day Love Abounds warmer. So this one is like an ivory color and it's covered in etched hearts as well as a few other miscellaneous hearts. So $9 was a great price for that, because even if I go to a vendor event and mark this to $20, which is almost half off if they would have bought it retail, they feel like they're getting a deal, and I'm still profiting $11 plus gaining PRV. I did pick up the washer Whiffs. This one is in Just Breathe. I have never used the Scentsy washer Whiffs. These were marked down to $4 and some change. I think they originally retailed for $18, so that was an excellent price point. So I wanted to give those a try so I had a little bit of experience with them. That way, if I love them, it's easy for me to talk about the product to my customers and promote the product. This is an item I got for myself. This is the Strawberry Basket Warmer. When this came out, it was right before I became a Scentsy consultant. And I didn't want to pay full price for it. And you know what? It hit the sale page. I'm like, I'm all about the sale price, because I think it was $18. So approximately half off, because I believe it was originally a $35 warmer. I think this is super cute for in a kitchen. So I wanted to have that. I do have a smaller house. I'm working on saving for a bigger house right now. That's actually why I started selling Scentsy, is because I wanted to be able to work on saving a down payment for a bigger house. So that is my Strawberry Basket Warmer. We have another warmer here. This is the Passport warmer. I thought this was super cute. It was on clearance for $14. Like I said, just another thing to have in my stock for when I do vendor events. I have a bar here. This was the only bar I picked up during this part of the flash sale haul that I did. This is in pineapple sorbet. Oh, this is amazing. It smells just like Dole pineapple juice. This is hands down the best Scentsy bar I have ever had that has pineapple in it. A lot of the pineapple ones I'm not too keen on. This one smells real, just like pineapple juice. Great scent. Too bad it's discontinued. It might come back during a Bring Back My Bar promotion, and if it does, I'm stocking up. So another warmer here, and then we will get into the other products. This is the Ocean Mosaic. So this goes on one of the cement bases. Once again, just a item I chose to pick up to have in my stock for vendor events. And then we have a big bag of scent packs as well as car fresheners. So let me dump those out so we can give those a gander. So I picked up 2 Strawberry Swirl scent packs. Those were on like mega clearance. I think they were under $2 each. 2 Pink Haze scent packs. Once again, under $2 each. 2 of the lemon thyme berry scent packs, because once again I believe they were under $2, so those were great prices on the scent packs, because even if I don't sell those, I can always use those in my daughter's scent buddies. And then I picked up 2 scent circles because these were on clearance for 90 cents. This is Mandarin Grapefruit Amber. So that is everything I got from this Scentsy flash sale haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.